In this video I will show how you can find and use all these bots on Gate.io, SpotGrid, FuturesGrid, InfinityGrid and also Auto Invest. I have created my first videos about Gate.io already back in March 2018, so I know this platform extremely well. The first step for using the automated trading bots is to create the 100% free account, and I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on Gate.io registration page. Now you will create your Gate.io account using your email address, phone number or Google account, MetaMask, Apple or even Telegram. All sign-up methods are 100% free. Once you are inside Gate.io, you can find all the trading bots right here on the bots section. There are basic bots as you can see right here, then they have advanced bots and also they have this Auto Invest bot. Let me give you a quick overview of these different bots. You will get an idea how they work. Then I will reveal to you my #1 recommended bot. The first one is of course the Auto Invest bot. With this one you can get more Bitcoin regularly, for example every day, every hour or every week. The second one, which is probably the most popular crypto trading bot in the entire universe, is SpotGrid bot. You can see more than 1 million SpotGrid bots have been created here on Gate.io. They have recommended strategies and customized strategies. The idea with this bot is that it buys low and then it sells high. So when the price goes down, it buys, and then when it goes higher, it sells. Then when we go back right here, you will see InfinityGrid bot, and this one differs from the SpotGrid. It doesn't have an upper price, it only has a lower price. In other words, this bot can go up all the way until infinity. And then if we compare SpotGrid into the FuturesGrid bot, FuturesGrid is kinda like SpotGrid bot on steroids. Let me show what I mean. Here you can see FuturesGrid, and if we click here customize, you can see that there is this thing right here, leverage. It means that everything is amplified. Let me show you. If we take for example 10x leverage, which is really high, I don't recommend so high, everything is 10 times amplified. If you put 5x, everything is 5 times amplified. And that's why FuturesGrid bot is not recommended for complete beginners. If you are a beginner, focus on the SpotGrid or specifically Auto Invest. Then they also have a spot martingale which buys the dip and sells the rip. You can see here buy and then it sells. And then they also provide many other bots as you can see here. Spot futures arbitrage. This is quite interesting bot because the idea with this bot is to benefit for the price differences of the spot and the futures market. As you can see here, it's in the advanced bots. Then they have smart rebalance. With this one you can keep your portfolio with certain percentages. For example, let's say you want to hold BTC and Ethereum. You click here submit. Let's say you want to hold 90% in BTC, 10% in Ethereum. So as the BTC price continues going higher, it will sell some of it and get some Ethereum. But of course, we recommend 100% BTC rather than Ethereum. And then they provide also many other trading bots. If you want that I cover any of these trading bots in one of my future videos, tell me in the comments below right here and I will be more than happy to help you. And now let me reveal to you #1 recommended bot right here, and that is Auto Invest. Let me show how you can get Bitcoin directly in the spot and then how you can do it automatically using a trading bot. So when we come here into trade, you click here spot, you click here BTC USDT, and here you can choose market and you can choose how much BTC you want to get. Then you click here buy BTC, you can see order filled, it gets you Bitcoin immediately. And now when you want to do it with an automated Auto Invest bot, you can simply click, and here you can get more Bitcoin, for example every day, every week, every month or every hour. Here you can also choose a time, it doesn't matter really much. And then when you choose this quick Auto Invest, it will immediately start when you click here Auto Invest. Let's put here for example 10. If you click here advanced, you can choose even advanced settings for your Auto Invest, and of course you can add more coins by clicking this new coin button. Let me give you an example how to start this Auto Invest. You can see Auto Invest plan is successfully set at 0000 every day. Auto Invest will be done. You will be able to analyze your auto investment. You can click here details and then it will start showing you all the details of your bot. When you go back, you can even see a leaderboard of different people people. However, I recommend focusing on a Bitcoin. And now if you want to get a great alternative trading platform, I recommend BYBIT. They provide bigger and better welcome rewards for our subscribers, as you can see here on the screen. I will leave you a direct link in the description right here below the video for BYBIT so you can get your welcome rewards.